Hey guys, welcome back. I'm always dieting, so to give you ideas and to help myself stay motivated, I decided to show you all what I've been eating lately, which has been in the last couple of weeks because I'm trying to get this little extra weight that I've put on off. I've been eating twice a day. I'll have one light meal and one heavier meal, but both meals are healthy. I also haven't been eating any red meat either, and I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but I don't eat pork anymore. I gave that up like a year ago. So my diets basically consist of a lot of chicken and fish, and of course salad. And I eat quite a bit of salad, so I try to do something different with them each time I eat them. So I'm just going to be sharing with you what I've eaten in a week's time. In these photos, you'll see that I labeled 1 and 2, and that's what it stands for: meal number 1 and meal number 2. So we are going to begin with Monday. And on Monday for meal number 1, I had a salad. And meal number 2, I had tuna creations. And in my salad, I just have cucumbers, mushroom, olives, and just the romaine salad mix. And this is what the tuna creation looks like. And I just added a little cheese to it just to spice it up just a little bit. And on Tuesday, I did double salads for meal number 1 and meal number 2. And in salad number 1, I just had basically the same thing that I had yesterday, except for I put string cheese in there. And sometimes I eat string cheese as a snack. So yeah, I just threw it in there with that. And salad number 2, I added chicken to it. It was just a baked chicken. And on Wednesday, I had another tuna creation for meal number 1. And this one was with rice and beans. And for meal number 2, I had baked chicken and baked sweet potato fries. Next is Thursday, and I had a tuna creation. This one was hickory smoked. For meal number 2, I had baked salmon with some veggies. Okay, for Friday, I had for meal number 1 a salad, and I threw olives and some white turkey in there. And for meal number 2, I had these Morningstar Veggie Classic chicken nuggets, and they are vegan, but I actually prefer these to the actual real chicken nuggets. They are really good. And I also had them with a side of veggies. For Saturday, I had another salad, and this time I threw a boiled egg in there. For my meal number 2, I had more baked salmon, no veggies. And last but not least, for Sunday, I had for meal number 1 another chicken salad, and I just threw a little cheese on top. And I also did my meal prep for the next week, and I had baked chicken. I tried a new recipe with this. It is really, really delicious. So that's what I had for my meal number 2. And guys, that is it. I hope I gave you some ideas of what to include in your diet, and I would love for you guys to share ideas with me as well. As always, thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, and hit that red button. Until next time, bye.